guys, so today we are here in Mount Tapyas. We just arrived. The sun is shining and I think today the weather is like 28 degrees Celsius, and it's, for us it's hot of course, but then here it's way more again normal for the people. But today we are just here walking a bit because we need to wait for mom, and at the same time she used to buy some water there, and of course we will need to go like 700 steps, I think more than 700 steps. I'm not really so sure, but I see in other blogs. But anyway, we are just in the first steps here. Down there you can be able to see, I think, a little shops down there. Yeah, in this side there are some shops over there, and of course, like, by the way, we arrived here at around 8. Normally our plan was gonna be about around 5 a.m. in the morning to be here, but unfortunately we are still tired. We wanted to see a sunrise. We don't make it because, as I said, we are late. Anyway, mom is here.
Ang Mount Tapyas ay perpekto para sa mga nature lovers, hikers, o kahit sino na nais maranasan ang natural na ganda ng Coron. Hindi mo kailangan ng malaking budget para masiyahan dito. Sapat na ang magdala ng tubig, komportabling damit, at syempre ang kamera para makuhanan ang mga unforgettable moments.
So these are the steps we need to go through. Well then, good thing I do my gym the last time. And it's working for me. So we already reached the 100 steps, and of course it's nakakahingal talaga. Ooh, 100. Oh my gosh, I'm a bit worried with mom. It seems she's having a hard time. My gosh.
Ito ang mga bagay na dapat paghandaan bago umakyat sa Mount Tapyas. Magsuot lang ng magaan at komportabling damit dahil magiging mainit at pawisan ang pag-akyat, lalo na sa tanghali. At gumamit din ng matibay at komportabling sapatos na angkop sa hiking upang masiguro ang iyong kaligtasan at kaginhawaan sa pag-akyat. Magdala ng sombrero o bandana upang protektahan ang ulo sa init ng araw. At maglagay din ng sunscreen upang maprotektahan ang balat mula sa sunburn, lalo na't exposed ka sa araw sa buong pag-akyat.
So we're just into 200 steps, and this is the view.
Ay, ito pala.
Nako. So they have something like the house here. Tawag kasi sa amin dito sa Ilonggo pala. Ewan ko ano tawag dito sa Tagalog. Oh my gosh, ang dami pala dun. Okay. Anyway, we'll need to move on. So we are into the 300 steps, and it's way more getting ambition a little bit smaller, the things you can see down there. And mom is concerned about these trees. Let's hope that they will not gonna be able to burn this. I'm not so sure if this is burn or this is because of the heat of the sun. That is, the last time it's like 30 to 40 degrees. So
is there a slide to go down?
huh?
Where's the slide to go down?
There is no slide. You need to walk down naturally.
But not too hard. We're going down.
Okay.
This is a yellow shower.
Yellow shower. Ah, it's nice. Look at this flower.
At huwag ding kalimutang magdala ng maliit na tuwalya o pamunas ng pawis. Huwag ding kalimutang magdala ng camera o smartphone para makunan ang magagandang tanawin, lalo na ang sunset view mula sa tuktok. Dahil siguradong pagpapawisan ka sa pag-akyat. Siguraduhin din ang tamang oras ng pag-akyat at ang timing. Ang pinakamainam na umakyat ay sa umaga o sa hapon para maiwasan ang sobrang init na tanghali at mas sulit ang tanawin, lalo na kapag sunset. Siguraduhin itapon ang basura sa tamang lugar o dalhin pabalik sa ibaba upang mapanatiling malinis ang Mount Tapyas.
Oh, Mom is there? My gosh, she's faster than us. Anyway, Mom is 76 years old, and at this time she can still able to go up this stairs. I can see the name already, Coron, and I think it's not that really far. It's over there. Always, Mom is always taking picture. My gosh, Mom is already there, and we are still here. My goodness, she is in the 500 steps, and that's the view. So we are into the 500, but soon enough we will gonna be at the 600. So you can also see some people over there, down there going up, and this is the view. You can actually see the partial view from here, from all of this, but it was really nice. And yeah, from here we just sit down for a while. Mom is eating her plum. So we are already here, and guys, this is the view here at the top. And into my back, this is how it is here. Yeah, so it's gonna be like this. Mom is there, of course. Always want to take picture. And my husband is like sweating like hell. So, and the cross was there, and the view is really nice from the top. So from here at the top with the name Coron itself, we are here, and this is the view that you can see from this name. And of course, it's really beautiful as always. So guys, I think that's all for this time here in Mount Tapyas, and we already see the view, and of course we also take pictures with us. Mom is satisfied with our pictures and all that. We've also flied some of the drones, and of course from here you can see the view. And I think it's somewhere over there is the market, is a fish market. Actually we go there yesterday, and I do my separate vlog. And of course yeah, I find it really beautiful here in Mount Tapyas. And of course we also need to go very slowly because the old one we have with us is complaining that it's way more. She's already been how to say, she's already been tired. So I think we will need to go now, but luckily it's not that really hard, I think, to go down. But I think the hardest part here is just to climb, and of course with the old people like Mom, it's not really that easy for her. But of course at this time still fit. Anyway, we need to go, guys. Ano yan yung orange? Ano yung orange na yan, oh?
Ayan yung binili natin. Lapula.
Ay, lapu-lapu pala yan. Bangus? Pwede ba yan
boneless.
So they have like 400, 500, and 700 per kilo.
Mapa yung plastic malaki.
I want 500 per kilo.
Ito ya?
Ha?
Magkano raw?
400 per kilo.
Saan ma'am?
Dito yung babae po. Oo.
Pag ganyan yung
Butiknan ko yung
babae,
sugat.
pag bilog yung ganito niya. Pag ganyan siya, kalaki.
Nagihi.
Katulad dito ng lalaki.
Babae na.
Ito lalaki yan.
Lalaki.
Alam ko.
I see. Hindi, ako yung in-explain ma.
Yan.
Babae.
Yung mataba, no?
Opo. Tataba po ito, sigurado po ito. Masisiyan.
1 kilo na ba yan?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa yan 1 kilo?
It's 50 po ma'am.
1 kilo lang? Ano lang?
600 na lang ma'am.
600? 500 lang. Ano lang, dalawa na lang siguro. Basta 1 kilo lang. Wag na yung ano. Kung budget lang na 500.
Yung malaki.
Ha? Then 600 na lang daw yung ano.
600 na lang.
Sige, discount ka lang. Kaya sa discount for 50 pesos. Salamat.
Bintahan ko namin yan sa mga 700.
Oo nga eh. Thank you ah. Nandito naman kami siguro para dito kung ano. Oo nga eh. Thank you. Ay, para masyadong matipid. So I think it's enough. Kailangan natin ng ano, ng gulay para sa sabaw.
Aslum yan. Aslum.
Ay, batuan. Batuan ba? Ay, sige. Gusto ko yun. Kalamansi. May lemon man to.
May lemon ka, oh.
Nilipat siya bala.
Wala na itatabati.
Wala na ba? Wala. Hello. Magkano ang ano? 10 pesos? Meron ba kayong pampaasim? Yung ano ba yun? Batuan kasi sa amin tawag nun eh.
Andis, batuan.
Hindi.
Yung batuan talaga.
Anong tawag ba nun? Sa Ilonggo kasi batuan yun, yung pampaasim, yung bilog. Ano ba yung tawag?
Andis.
Hindi. Baka. Asa na ba yun yung sinasabi mo? Iba yata ang tawag sa kanila mo?
Walang batuan.
Ay, hindi. Yung fresh siya. Yung fresh. Wala. Sige, wag na lang.
Ay, wala.
Wala. Anong kailangan? O sige, kamatis. Kuha ka na. Kaya nga, kuha ka na. Kuha ka na kamatis. O, lagay mo dyan, oh. Kasi ano niya. O. At saka, siguro okay na to. Siguro okay na to. Sigurado ka? Okay. Hindi kasi parang may mga ano siya, oh. Mga butas-butas ba? Sige, yan na lang. Ito na lang.
Isang kilo may kalahap. Meron ka pabigay?
Ito po. Thank you. So,
Sa hapon pa po. Pati yung gilid po.
yung gilid, yung papyaw lang, pero wag yung butasan.
Yung galo. Yung
Hindi po ba siya bibiyakit?
Ha?
Hindi gilid lang. Tatanggalin lang po yung mga ano.
baka mag-isi yung plastic.
So, we need 2 fresh coconuts, and it only costs 35 pesos. And we are waiting under the terrible hotness of the sun. Mula sa pagpili ng preskang mga isda sa palengke hanggang sa pagdating sa bahay ay diretso ihaw na agad ito ni Mama. At since nahilig niya rin ang pagluluto at hindi na talaga kami makakaantay na tikman ang kanyang masarap na inihanda para sa aming isang masarap na hapunan. So thanks for tuning in to our channel and hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, informative, or entertaining. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Plus, subscribing is totally free and it helps support our channel so we can continue to create content for you to enjoy. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching and we will see you in my next one.